So on day 3, we're going to do whole life. Now, a lot of people want whole life. They feel like they want the support of being insured for your whole life. I get it. But there's a market for every product. And I do not feel like whole life is a policy for people with children, people who you are financially responsible for. If you're trying to leave a legacy or wealth, whole life is not the product for you. Here is why. One, every time you make your monthly payment, a portion of your life insurance, it goes to the life insurance bucket, a portion goes into the savings account. Well, if for the first 3 years, nothing goes in your savings account, where's your money going? It's going to the company. First red flag, because I don't do that. Second, the money's going to grow extremely slow. Once the money starts growing, you now have an option to borrow. But that's your money that you put in the account, right? Do we borrow our own money? If my paycheck goes into my bank account and I go to Wells Fargo and I ask Wells Fargo to let me go ahead and deposit $30, $40, $50, are they going to say it's a loan? Because if it's a loan, now it's a loan agreement and it's interest. That's not what we do with our money. A loan is when we borrow money that's not ours, and interest is the cost of borrowing money that's not ours. So it makes it not a good product. Let's say you never borrow it out and you pass away. Are you going to get the death benefit and the money that's in the savings account? Absolutely not. You're going to get the death benefit. And the money that's in the savings account is going to be surrendered because you didn't enter into a loan agreement to get the money out in the first place, which you should not have. See, let me give you a little bit of back history. A long time ago, we couldn't go into the banks. We couldn't set up a savings account. We couldn't set up a bank account, right? Insurance agent will come knock on grandma's door, great-grandma's door, receive her payment, because she couldn't go to the bank and make the payment, right? She couldn't go into an insurance company and sit down and get an insurance policy. So they will come, collect the payment. We have better options, bottom line. We have better financial tools, okay? That just don't make sense for me. And then what you get in a whole life policy, 10, 20,000. So if you have a whole life policy, 10, 20,000, you got to be buried and you got kids, there's nothing left for your kids. Am I right or am I wrong? All right now.